Welcome to my podcast, Bravo Podcast. Thank you so much for always watching my podcast. I feel very, very humbled for whoever watches this. And please go ahead and share our content. Just click on the button of share and then share our content outward for somebody there to be motivated, encouraged, and inspired by what we do. Once again, my guest is Sam Ibanda. He's a professional coach. Apart from that, he's a certified public accountant working with KPMG and is here to share knowledge with us. And our topic today is social media. Most of you see so many people on social media. Sometimes you wonder, how can somebody take long on social media? Some of you, you even get irritated that what is he doing or what is she doing on social media? But did you know that the social media you see people on all the time, there are two categories of people. You either become a creator or you become just a scroller. Not so. So it's what you want to choose. What if you created something? Are you aware that in your social media, you're able starting to earn big? Globally, content creation, we don't even actually produce even a quarter of the content that the world needs.
Yep.
And the world needs content every day. Millions and millions of content that is needed. We're going to show you how best you can gain out of your social media content. Thank you so much, and we are very pleased having you today. You're most welcome, Sam Ibanda.
Thank you so much, Bravo, and thank you so much, our viewers, for always watching the Bravo podcast. So today, like Brian has mentioned, I'm humbled to be sharing on a topic which is so passionate for me as a creator, as somebody on social media. So I know he has mentioned that I'm an accountant. So I do that as my day job. But one of the things that most people know me for, Brian, is being on social media. I think when you go to nearly all the social media platforms, I think most of the social media platforms that we have here in Uganda, I think you'll find me there. So I today we want to see how can somebody be able to make money from social media. Should you just have an account, or you should actually be able to find ways of how to earn?
Yes.
So I'm glad to be part of the conversation.
Yes. When we talk about social media, let's get it on Facebook now.
Yep.
The other platforms as well, but we're going to target on Facebook.
Yep.
Facebook is one of the largest social media platforms globally.
Yep.
And that is Meta. And we would like to appreciate Meta.